Bound 101 into Santa Clara. Your next update, 9:48 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Going to be sunny today for most of the Bay Area. Partial clearing, though, at the beaches. Highs from the 60s coastside to 70s and 80s around the Bay to the upper 90s and lower this evening with lows in the 50s and 60s. Tomorrow is going to be sunny with temperatures to today. Traffic and weather together on the 8s and All News 106.9 and AM 7. KCBS.
Dell Technologies provides growing businesses with the tools to do incredible things. For advice on smart PCs powered by Intel vPro that's built for businesses, call a Dell Technologies advisor at 877-DELL.
Duran in concert. September 4th, Chase Center. Duran with special guests Nile Rodgers and tickets on sale now at Ticketmaster.com. The new album, Future Past, out now. Don't miss Duran Live. This November, Californians will have a choice between two initiatives on sports betting. What's at stake? We have a chance to tax and regulate sports betting to find permanent solutions to our homelessness crisis. That's Prop 27. Prop 27 generates hundreds of millions every year to get people and into housing. On the other hand, Prop 26, not a dime to solve homelessness or treat addiction. Prop 27 has strong protections to prevent minors from betting and strictly prohibits betting on youth sports. Prop 26, no protections for minors. Prop 27 helps every tribe, including disadvantaged tribes. Prop 26, a money grab for the wealthiest casino tribes, leaving nothing for disadvantaged tribes. Choices are important, and the choice is clear. Vote yes. Advocate 27, Californians for Solutions to Homelessness and Mental Health Support, a coalition of housing and mental health experts concerned with digital sports, entertainment, and gaming companies. Committee major funding from Penn Interactive Ventures. KCBS News Time, 9:41. With more news now, here's Eric Thomas.
Thousands of dollars in gift cards have been stolen from the community youth in San Francisco. Cards were donated to the center to pay for school supplies.
Staff at the Community Youth Center's Clement Street location in San Francisco's Richmond district came to work Wednesday morning to pick up frightening damage and an open door. They found things missing.
Objective items like electronics, monitors, as well as the most important economy that will about to pass out to 100 students for the back-to-school supplies.
That's Sarah Wen, Executive Director of Community Youth Center of San Francisco. She says those cards were intended to reward some hard-working kids, and the robbery is